see digital transformation as really being key right now. And in fact, at Microsoft we call it the digital bank. And it's really not, if you think traditionally about converting processes from paper to electronic, or maybe the use of more automation, we're really going beyond that. And we're saying at Microsoft, how does the use of devices and technology, particularly the cloud, how can they be leveraged to develop brand new customer experiences, but employee experience as well, so that banks are able to engage their own team, whether that's someone in risk management doing analytics, or whether it's somebody in the corporate treasury requiring an advanced view of their cash position first thing in the morning. As we talk about the digital bank and digital transformation of banking, one of the key factors in driving that is the so-called millennial generation. So millennials are the oldest are just getting into their 30s now and becoming much more influential in the workplace. I think at the end of next year they'll be 75% of the workforce. So just as they had consumer seamless integrated app experiences, they want that same thing in the workplace too. So whether they're in the bank or whether they work for corporate treasury, for example. So it's really incumbent on banks now to start to transform and offer those new digital experiences in the workplace and to their customers through sophisticated applications that seamlessly provide access into banking information. I think that banks at the same time have to recognize there's a huge amount of loss involved in financial crime. Billions of dollars every year is being lost through financial crimes. I'm sure I read somewhere in the last year that up to 90% of banking apps are perhaps not as secure as they should be. So this is a big challenge. It's one that Microsoft takes very seriously. We have with us at Sibos here our digital crimes unit, and that's a group of forensic scientists and attorneys, prosecutors, and we work with international law enforcement like Interpol, Europol, basically to do perhaps the biggest big data project there is, to track down these crimes, track down those perpetrators, and then through law enforcement go in and actually make those arrests and bring them to justice. Cybercrime is a global problem, and it's certainly not getting any smaller. They're very sophisticated, and it's a problem that no one organization can solve by itself, quite honestly. So that's why we're very eager to participate with institutions around the world, and we actually partner with an industry standard body too, FS-ISAC, working in close partnership to identify these threats, shut them down, and then chase after the individuals. But we, as I said, absolutely want to collaborate at an industry level to make that happen. It's too big for any one organization.